Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on the 10th of July 2024. So, looking at our clouds and precip forecast, we can see that today was a soggy day in Ulster. Through Leinster and Connacht, we had a bit of cloud and a few light showers, but in Munster, it was quite a nice day with some nice sunshine. And then through tonight, we'll see that band of cloud and patchy rain moving southwards. The rain, or should I say, heaviest kinda and most frequent in the east, but even there, it'll be patchy, nothing much around. And that will clear away quite quickly in the morning to leave a day of mostly cloudy skies and the odd light shower in northerly breezes. Into Friday, we possibly see a signal for better weather, clearer skies, especially in the morning. In the afternoon again, clouds do build and a few showers do form. And these again could be a bit more widespread than Thursday's showers. Now we go to Saturday. Saturday morning starts off quite cloudy and murky and misty. In the afternoon, we actually see some heavy showers breaking out in the east and some cloud and patchy light showers in the west. And then into Sunday. Sunday starts off a bit misty and murky again. And then again in the afternoon, we see showers breaking out, heavy at times. I think that sunny showers, although this chart doesn't show it, will be more focused in Ulster and Connacht in the north, basically, on Sunday. I think that's what's going to happen. Into Monday. Monday, we see big downpours breaking out quite widely, especially through the east and Midlands. So basically, from tomorrow onwards, it's an increasingly showery trend. Tomorrow, showers start off, being very light and patchy, but on Monday, they're widespread and torrential. So here is the temperature forecast from the UKV. So again today, in the north and east, where it stayed cool, it was dismal, highs in the low teens. But in like Connacht or South Connacht, West Leinster and Munster, highs of 16 to 20, warmest in the south. Into Thursday morning, lows of around 10 to 12 degrees, mild thanks to the clouds. And in the afternoon, highs of around 13 to 18. So pretty decent highest temperatures in the south, but in the north, again, suppressed. But really, even the south could do better than that, considering it's July 11th. Looking at Friday morning, it's a bit cooler Friday morning because of clearer skies, especially through eastern and central areas. My phone's going off. Scamming people. Okay, so moving on into Friday. Highs of 14 to 18 again, like I think tomorrow. Really, I think the warmer temperatures will be a bit more widespread though on Friday. It's really only the far north that sees the low teens. Into Saturday morning starts off mild. Again, it'll be quite misty and murky. By afternoon, highs of 14 to 18 or 19. Again, you can see clearly the way it's cloudier in the west, hence those cooler temperatures. In the east and south, it's a bit sunnier, so it's more warmer. And by Sunday, actually quite a warm day with plenty of sunshine, although there were showers. And also, you can kind of see where they'll be. You see these patches of cooler temperatures, like for example, here, down through here, possibly a few. That sort of region, it's July, so sunshine will be very important temperatures. And through to Monday, highs of around, say, 17 to 21. So it is also a warming trend as well as a showery trend right now. So getting warmer and more showery. So getting very convective, very unstable into the weekend and next week. And we'll see how it works with these charts in seconds. But anyway, before that, here is the NAO index observed with forecasters. So we're currently in a positive phase of the NAO. We're pretty much peaking now, and it will go more negative, or towards neutral anyway, up to, I say, about the 20th of the month. So that means that we currently got a slight extension from the result. So it's been net positive. You'd think that we'd have a big extension, but we actually don't. It's only a very slight one that will go in a few days. And we'll see low pressure taking control again, as ever with Irish weather. So looking at the GFS, here we go. Again, that is that slight extension there from the Azores high. Now, what will happen with it is that it will stay to our west. It will never fully move in. So by Friday, again, we're in that light northerly breeze, so it's like cloudy with only a few showers. Now through towards Saturday, we sort of see that high weakening, and these two lows starting to sort of like squeeze it out. And we still see a little trough starting to form over the country, so that does form heavier showers, especially in the east. And by Sunday, we're sort of in a trough properly then. So again, heavier showers, especially in the north. And into Monday, again, big downpours around as that low forms. Also, that is quite a warm low. There's quite a lot of warm air wrapped in it. So compared to temperatures now, we've got cooler air mass coming in with this low behind it anyway. And so far this summer, many lows have had this sort of air mass. And then this low coming up through into Monday, through the weekend and Monday, that is a warm low. So there'll be plenty of convection, plenty of heavy showers, and possibly thunderstorms. So a bit more summer-like, with sunshine and downpours. So moving into the rest of the week now. So that low clears away, and we go into a more westerly phase. But once again, the Azores high is tentatively ridging up. It doesn't really do that. So it does dry things up, but I think it'll also be cloudy and muggy and drizzly. And we go into the final 3rd of July right now, and we see westerly winds coming in non-stop, low pressure, and that's a cooler low as well. I think I'm being scammed. There's constant messages coming in. Here is the ECM. Again, ECM has northerly winds into Thursday and into Friday and Saturday. Again, the Azores high, that weak ridge, does in fact try and build in, but doesn't fully build in. It ends up towards Scandinavia and like Faroe Islands, and we end up with a trough over the country by Saturday, Sunday. It's a fully blown low by Monday. Again, it's an increasingly showery trend. Each day, the showers get heavier and more widespread. Now, by Tuesday, Wednesday, going into a westerly flow. So you think it's cooling down, and the showers getting a bit less widespread. And by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, again tentative Azores high ridge, but it fails, and this next low just moves it away. Although the south is quite dry with that, it actually mainly misses us. And well, by next Saturday, this low will definitely hit us. It's definitely on course for us. Upper temperatures by then. Quite warm ahead of that, so that is more of a frontal low. So you expect a lot of clouds and a lot of rain, misty, murky, grey skies, and pouring rain. While that low coming up through the weekend and early next week is more of a showery low. It's based on convection there and instability. So here's the GEM. So what we see with GEM is that the high pressure comes in, well, it tries to anyway, through tomorrow, it's Friday, and by Saturday it ends up to our north, and the trough forms where it wanted to come, and into Monday. You know what? I think that it's just teasing us. It's strong enough to come this way, so come here. Don't go further northwards. Here is perfectly fine. Anyway, through next week, again, that low forms right over us, so that trough becomes a low, and we see, again, big downpours through Monday and into Tuesday. I think that the GEM keeps the showery theme going for a longer period of time, before by Thursday it's gone, as again, we see that little extension there from the Azores high. And again into Saturday, we see again westerly winds coming back in. Here is the UK Met run. Again, so a high coming in there over into Friday. Then Saturday, Sunday, again, trough forms over the country, and we see showers breaking out more widely, especially in the east on Saturday, and again in the north on Sunday and in the east on Monday. And by next Wednesday, we're sort of in a westerly pattern, but it's quite dry. Here is the icon. So the icon run, again, with its high pressure failing to origin, a trough forms in its place, brings some downpours into the weekend and early next week, and through into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. Again, that little lump to our southwest is trying to origin so hard. But once again, I would not put any money on that at all. And finally, the arpège run, and what we have here is the high again failing to come in, and through Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we have this low come in. Again, okay, so again, going showery and unstable into the weekend and next week. Thursday, Friday, like tomorrow and Friday, will be just cloudy and dry days mostly, apart from a few light showers. And into the middle part of next week, we see some westerly winds. Again, sorry about the phone going off earlier. I don't know what's happening. Probably should be on silent mode there. Didn't realise that it wasn't on silent mode because it's not my phone. But I do apologise that it was going off earlier. I'll see what's happening. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully you found this enjoyable and informative, and I'll see you tomorrow.